start.
Oh, shit. Got your little booty off again. Why didn't you push the button? I wanted you to have it. Okay, yeah, such a sweet boy. Such a sweet boy. Mama gonna put that booty back on. Look at that little foot. Look at that foot. Oh. Yeah, what's Mommy doing? What's Mommy doing? She's just putting that booty on. She's just putting that little booty on. Oh, yeah. Oh, my goodness. See your little mittens? Did you see your little mittens? Oh, yes, I know. Oh. Yeah, I know. You squish like that and it pushes that little tape just too close to your eye. Oh, such a good boy. Yes, you are. Growing big and strong. God bless you. God bless you again. Oh, my goodness. Yes, he does. Oh. Yeah. Yes, I know. You're hungry. You're ready to have some supper. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Looking at your nose? Are you looking at your nose? Grandma loves you. Whoa. Gigi sends her hugs and kisses. Aunt Mary Beth and Uncle Brian do too. Auntie Beth, Uncle Gary. Oh, God bless you. Oh, yeah. I know. Oh, stretch. Yes, grow, grow, grow. Are you growing? Why are you growing so big? So big.
It's like pushing up on the...
He's so strong.
Push himself up.
Yes, he's so strong. You are so strong. Look at the little foot. Look at that. There goes the little foot again. There goes the booty. Big booty. I know. Gabriel. Grandma loves you. Yes. I could just eat. Do you like my pink shirt? I think you like the pink shirt. I think you like Grandma's pink shirt. Huh? You do. It's a nice bright color, easy to see. Lots of it. Yeah. Oh. Hello. Hello. You see Mommy?